Hello, engineers and business owners. Welcome to episode 3 of Why Motors is Very Important for a Steel Mill. But before we could proceed, for those who missed out on episode 1 and 2, just to tell you out, it's been posted on New India Electrical's all social platforms. So please go have a check and let's check out on episode 3. Okay, tell me something. Why does a steel plant use so much of water?
So steel mills use water for many different reasons. They use it for cooling, for descaling, for quenching, for dust control, for boiler feeds, and even for firefighting. It's all run by pumps like these all day long.
Okay, so what's the biggest one?
Cooling water pumps tend to be the most important and most common use of pumps in a steel mill. They move up to 20,000 cubic meters of water an hour and need to be extremely reliable. Without them, a plant stops immediately.
That's like a small lake every hour. What about descaling?
Descaling requires very high pressure pumps that strip scale off the billet while it's being rolled through the mill. And for the boiler, our RKB series pumps push water up to 850 meters high.
And what about fire safety?
Fire safety requires dedicated pumps that are always ready. All of these run on 3-phase induction motors or diesel motors. These typically are screen-protected, drip-proof or totally enclosed fan-cooled motors running between 415 to 3.3 kilovolts depending on the size.
And any smart upgrades here?
Definitely. Soft starters stop the pipes from shaking at startups, and VFDs or variable frequency drives let you control flow without wasting energy on a valve.
Now the cranes overhead. What powers those?
Cranes typically require a different kind of motor altogether. Crane duty motors, cage or slip ring type, range from 0.37 up to 1000 kilowatts. These typically have duty classes of S3, S4 or S5 because they need to start and stop up to 300 times in an hour. And we also recommend that these are IP55 protected.
300 starts, that too in just 1 hour?
Yes, they're charging furnaces, moving ladles, stacking billets, starting and stopping constantly, in heat and in dust. A normal motor wouldn't survive a single shift.
Okay, so you mean to say that every pump and every crane over here is a specialist?
Yes, they're all built for a very specific purpose, and that's to ensure that plants run reliably, constantly, and productively.